Ed and his mechanics spent that summer running after those 5 balers, practically one man for each machine, repairing, making changes, and improvements as needed. But that was a grand field test for that baler at that time, because the following year they built 30 of them, and those balers worked fine. What they learned was incorporated in the 30 machines they built the next year. Those also were quickly sold. The balers performed well. The third year at Kinzer's, they were building 90 machines when the 4 new owners of the New Holland Machine Company came to look at this baler, and they were impressed. These 30 balers had done a good job that summer, and here they're building 90 more. It was just what Delp and his friends at the new owners of New Holland Machine Company needed to put that company in business. All right, that's what we have to say about this. This happens to be number 87 of the 125 balers that was built at Kinzer's. This is number 87. This baler is owned by Rough and Tumble Down and taken very well care of by Dwight Gruff. We appreciate. We thank Dwight Gruff for getting it over here and letting us use it. And he says, hey, it's good to have it used instead of just setting. All right, we're ready to see if this thing still bales after 80 years.